I'm Steve Hay and welcome to the wonderful world of woodworking with Carbotech. Today we're going to be covering veneering. Another little thing that I've made, which I referred to earlier, which is very, very useful. And again, depends how far you want to go with veneering. For example, this, I haven't finished this box yet, but it's a box I'm working on, and on the top I've got these little triangles, and those black lines are actually pieces of veneer that I've put between the triangles. The challenge with doing it with a ruler is to get that exact width all the time. So what I've come up with, which I don't know if it wasn't my original idea, obviously. Would have got it from someone. So all I've got there is a piece of board. I've put a brass strip down there. You don't have to do that, just a bit of wood. It's just, I like using brass for those of you that have known me for a while. And what I have is a box here of just all different thicknesses that I use when I'm doing veneering. So if I want to do 3mm strips of veneer, so I'm going to cut one straight edge, gently let the weight of the knife do the work. It's a bit trickier cutting long grain too than cross grain. This is long grain here, cross grain's that way, because this isn't too bad, but your knife will have a tendency to follow the growth ring, which you have to be mindful of. So okay, we've got a straight edge there, we know it's straight because we cut it straight. Put it up against your edge there, then put these chocks there, put your other straight edge against there, push down, and then don't rush it, take your time. This is particularly useful if you're making a chessboard, and we might make a chessboard later on. Okay, and I can pull that away, and look at that, 3mm strip, perfectly square. I'll do it again just to show you it wasn't a fluke. Put that between there, up to there. There you go, 2. That box I showed you before, wherever it is, they were actually 1mm strips of black veneer, and done exactly the same way. If you want to do, got any big ones? Yeah, okay, well, what are these? These are 24mm, so we'll do one at 24mm. See, and I've marked them what sizes they are. That's 24, that's 7, that's 7.5, so whatever you need. So what we'll do is pop that in there, bring that up. That's 24mm.